An ancient desert father once said something very powerful. When the sea is calm, fishermen can see deep into the water and spot the fish clearly. But when the sea is rough, the water becomes cloudy and they see nothing. The same happens inside the human soul. When the heart is quiet, we can see deep within ourselves. We begin to recognize which thoughts are good and which ones slowly lead us toward darkness. But look at the world we live in today. Noise, notifications, endless stimulation, constant distraction. Our inner sea is never calm. And when the waters of the souls are agitated, we lose the ability to see clearly. We drift with impulses, emotions, desires, like a boat tossed by waves. And without realizing it, we let thoughts grow inside us that slowly pull us away from what is good. But there is another way to live. Slow down, step away from the noise. Let go the useless and constant stimulation that the world throws at you. Choose a life that is quiet, gentle and steady, because when the waters of your heart become quiet again, you will finally be able to see inside yourself again. I really wish you, my brother or sister, to find God in the deep quietness of your heart. God bless you.